Praveen Nerpada. I am from SSUPS Dr. P.R. Gogre Science College, Dhude. My qualification is MSc B.Ed PhD. I am teacher in biology. You like my videos? Subscribe it, like it. In botany, the next chapter is inheritance and variation. It is also called as genetic basis of inheritance. So in this inheritance, genetic basis, first you should know about the genetics. What is meant by genetics? Genetics is nothing but the study of heredity and variation. It's called genetics. In this heredity, the similarity between the parent and offspring is called heredity. In variation, the differences between parent and offspring is called variation, that is the differences. So next, that is the biographical sketch of George Mendel. Biographical sketch, George Mendel, because he studied the various characters about the genetics. So in this biographical sketch, the George Mendel was born in 1822 July in a small village, Brno. Now it is in Slovakia, in Austria. His father was farmer. He is from poor and peasant family. So afterwards, in 1840, he completes his graduation in math and natural history and science. Then, 1843, he became priest and joined the Austrian monastery and become priest. So afterwards, in 1856 to 68, he became a science teacher in his high school, where he studied. At that time, is a famous experiment on garden pea plant in 1856. He studied the several characters about the pea plant. And he studied the several characters. So according to his several characters he studied, so he is called the father of genetics. George Mendel was the father of genetics. He attended many conferences. He has written many books, Genera Plantarum, Species Plantarum, etc. So his outstanding work on genetics, so he is called the father of genetics. So that is the biographical sketch of George Mendel. Then later on, the question is that why Mendel selected garden pea plant for his experiment? The pea plant is easily available, easily cultivable. It is an annual herb plant. It is self-pollinated plant. It can be cross-pollinated artificially, and it have the several characters are present. So many genetical characters are present. So he selected the garden pea plant for his experiment. And that pea plant is called, the scientific name is Pisum sativum. So he selected the garden pea plant. So Mendel used some terminology. That terminology used by Mendel. There are so many terms are there. First, that is the genes. Genes, it is also called as genus, generan, etc. It is a carrier. It is a vector which carry from one generation to next. It's called genes. Alleles, a pair of alternative character have the similarity, is called alleles or allelomorph. Phenotype, the external appearance of an organism is called phenotype. Genotype, the genetical constituent of an organism is called genotype. Homozygous, a pair of character have the similarity is called homozygous. Heterozygous, a pair of character have the dissimilarity is called heterozygous. Dominant character, this dominant character which expressed in F1 generation is called dominant character, and recessive character does not express in F1 generation, so it is called recessive character. Then backcross, F1 generation cross with dominant character is called backcross. Then test cross, F1 generation cross with recessive parent or character is called test cross. F1 generation, it is called first filial generation. After crossing of dominant and recessive, we get the F1 generation. It is also called as F1 hybrid. F2 generation, it is called second filial generation. After crossing of dominant and recessive, we get the F1 segregate, and they form the F2 generation. Offspring. A single individual born is called offspring. Progeny, total number of individual born is called progeny. Inbreeding, self-pollination and self-fertilization is called inbreeding. So all these are the terminology used by Mendel. So that is the terminology. Then afterwards, Mendel selected the 7 contrasting character. Which are the type of 7 contrasting character? These are the 7 contrasting character. Character, that is the length of stem. That is dominant and recessive characters are tall and dwarf. Second one is structure of seed, round and wrinkled. Seed color, yellow green. Shape of fruit, inflated, constricted. Color of pod, green, yellow. Color of flower, purple, white. Position of flower, axile, terminal. So these are the 7 contrasting character of Mendel. Then afterwards, Mendel selected the 3 laws. That 3 laws are inheritance laws. That is, the first law is laws of dominance, laws of segregation, and laws of independent assortment. It is also called as dihybrid ratio, and it is also called as 9:3:2, 3:1 ratio. So first we want to study about the laws of dominance. Laws of dominance, there are 2 contrasting characters are there, tallness and dwarfness. Tallness and dwarfness, these are the parent, capital TT and small tt. We are calling it P1 generation, that is the parental generation. From that we get the gametes. From tall, capital TT, we get the capital T. From dwarf, small tt, we get the small t. These are the gametes from the parent. Both comes together and they form the F1 generation. That is the first filial generation. It is also called as F1 hybrid, and it shows all characters are tall. So that is the laws of dominance. So these laws of dominance occur in these all characters tall.